Hello again, third graders. It's Mrs. Fernandi, ready to do a little bit more work with the endings of words this week. Let's look at the rest of that PowerPoint for this week. And so we're still looking at those base words and the endings the way that we end endings to them. Here's the word grow. Now, OW is similar to AY in that the W is acting like a vowel. So we're never going to double the W at the end of a word that's like an OW sound or an AW spelling. Grow ends with that OW. W is acting like a vowel. Do we double the double the W? No, we don't. We just add the ing. Growing, just like this plant. This plant is growing. Invite, is there a consonant and then silent E at the end? And the answer is yes. If that is true, what do we do now? We're going to drop that E, right? We're going to drop the silent E, and then what are we going to do? Add the ing. So invite becomes inviting. Desire, same thing. We've got to ask ourselves, is there a consonant? R, E at the end of the word? Yes. We already have that silent E, that E there. So what do we do now if we want to make it into desired? We're just going to add the D. Remember I said that the other day? If you need the ED and you already have the E, then we just call it adding a D, because in the end we want the ED. Sometimes we have to add both letters if we don't have the E already there. But since we already have it there, you could look at this as dropping the silent E and adding ED, or you could say, oh, great, gifty, I've got an E already. I'm just going to add the D to it. With tax, the tax ends in an X. And there's just a real fast, strong rule in English that we do not double an X. So we cannot double that one. We're just going to go ahead and add the ED to it. Even though it follows some of the same rules that we have had before, the X makes it kind of special that way. So taxes, like you can see in the picture, or taxed, we're just going to add the ED or the ES or the ING right onto the word tax, since we cannot double the X. Okay, that's all there is there. So go ahead and take out a piece of paper, open your notebook. Hopefully you have your notebook with you. And let's go ahead and do lots of guided spelling today. Okay, let's go with the first word is marked. The teacher's assistant marked the papers. So we're going to start with just the base word, mark. And then marked, even though it has that T sound, marked is in the past, so we're going to have the ED still be our past tense. That we use ED and we say it like a T. States, they saw license plates from 50 states. Our base word is state, one state like the state of Washington. We're just going to go ahead and add the S to the end there. Raised, the flags are raised each morning. Raised, the base word is raise. Now, a long A sound, A-I in the middle of a word. And then we also are going to put an E at the end. Raised. Yes, there you go. Put the D at the end. Tail, the monkey was hanging by its tail. Remember, tail has two, it's a homophone. Here's like a story, the tale of two cities. Or we're going to use the monkey's tail with the AI in the middle of the word there. Snowed. What do you need to decide for snowed? First, we're going to write the base word. Snow, long O sound made with the OW. What's special about a W in this case? It's acting like a vowel, so we're not going to double it. We're just going to add the ED at the end. W, Y, X, those ones at the end of the alphabet, I guess. We don't really double those for different reasons. Clay. The clay got really hard overnight. Clay, A sound at the end of word, A-I or A-Y? A-Y, good job. All right, and elbow, elbow. So first we're going to start with L, and then bow, O, long O sound, O, we don't end in just an O. We're going to put a W to close that out. O-W makes that long O sound, elbow. Our next word is truth. The word that we keep coming back to, oo, is made with just the U sound, just the letter spelled just with the letter U to make the oo sound, and then truth. the TH at the end. The next one is along. Along came a spider and sat down beside her. So is made with an A. That schwa sound is made with the letter A. Long. Nice. And how about it'll be sunny tomorrow. It will, right? So in order to make it will into a contraction, we're going to get rid of the I and the W. And we're going to replace those two letters with an apostrophe. It'll be sunny tomorrow. All right, let's do another set of them over here. Let's do the word stayed. Remember, stayed is starts with that stay as our base word. We can't double the Y, so we're just going to add ed, stayed. And the next word is sport. Or, remember the or, the OR. The OR in the middle of the word, ORE at the end of the word, sport. Closing, close. Oops. We're going to get rid of the silent E and add ing. Good. Now write fixed. This is a good one. So first write the base word, fix. Can we double the X? No, we know that X cannot be doubled, so we're just going to add the ED there. These rules start to repeat themselves quite a lot, so just as long as you're paying attention, you're getting it. Starring, we're going to just first write the word star, just like you've been writing for years, and then we're going to double the R because we have a vowel A, consonant R. We're going to double the R, add ing. Friday. Friday is the last day of the school week. Capital F, because it's the name of a day of a week. Fry, and then day, long A sound, the end of the word being made with AY. Roadblock. This is one of those compound words we talked about before. So if we think about each word separately, we have road and then block. So road, O, long A sound, long O sound in the middle of the word. OA, two vowels go walking. The first one does the talking. The second part is block. Did you know that one? Good. All right. The next word is worth. Oh, there's that sound that's very unusual. WOR, and then worth, TH. Good. And instead. In, easy enough. Stead. I'm giving you a moment to think about that one. Stead, right? Let's see if we can fit one more in here. Toe. Toe has that unusual long O sound. How do we spell it? T-O-E. Very nicely done. Okay, let's do another one. See if we can, oops. Let's go over here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's do. Oh. Okay, the next word I want you to write, this is a lot of practice because we want to be ready for that test. The next one is paving. So the street, they were paving the streets. So we want that first, we want to just put pave. We know that we need the E to help the A say its name, and also to keep the V from being the last letter in the word. We cannot end an English word with a V. So we're going to get rid of that E, and we're going to add on the ing. We'll replace it with the ing. How about the word coach? The coach taught us to play soccer as a team. O, long O sound in the middle of this word that ends in ch. We're pretty much going to go with the OA and then the CH. That CH, that E wouldn't do much if it was after both the C and the H. So we know we're going to go with the OA for the long O sound in the middle there. The next word is thirsty. This is interesting. Thirsty. So we have we have ERIR. UR. We're going to go with the second way to make the sound, THIR, and then thirst, E, the long E sound at the end of a word, spelled with the letter Y. Very nice. And our next word is folding. So we're going to find the word fold. Remember, if you can spell old, you can spell fold and cold and told. So we have fold, and then we're just going to go ahead and add the ing there, folding. Very nice. Now write sold. Super easy for you. Yes, sold. Well done. And then let's do one last one. Let's do spraying. Spray. Oops, I did that wrong. Spray, ending in AY at the end. add that ing, spraying. Very nicely done. So this just takes practice, right? Thinking about the different rules. The rules start to make sense more and more. If you need to go back and watch, please do. In the meantime, stay safe and be well.